Greetings, class. I'm going to talk to you today about your book talks. All of your instructions are in your Google Classroom. When you click on the final project, Book Talk Flipgrid, you're going to see a lot of our instructions. First off, I have a slide that will kind of let you know about the final project. I have an image about the writing I want you to do and a link to Flipgrid. These are the things I want you to have available while you're doing your book talk. You need first a copy of your book, all right, so that you can use it during this process. I also want you to have your planning sheet, your what to say. This is going to help you, it'll help make this whole process a lot faster. Okay, so one of the first things I was going to talk to you guys about is what we're actually going to be doing. I've had many of you ask, what is a book talk? Well, it's simple. We're just going to talk about our books, but I have a structured way to do that. First step was reading a book. So seriously, you needed to read a book. The goal setting, the stop and jots, and all the things you've done in the past have been leading you to this point. When you finish reading your book, I want you to AR test. You'll need to show me so that I can write it down, but that's going to be 20% of your book talk grade. If you're not quite finished with your book, well, that makes me really sad, you can still get started on your book talk project and finish your book as quick as you can. All right, you need to have a plan. So using this graphic organizer, we're going to write a script to help us talk about our book. The script, the written part, will be 50% of your book talk. So what I've done is I have actually got you guys a organizer that's going to help you do that. There's a picture of it in your Google Classroom. And really, I just want you to write a paragraph about the setting and the characters, another paragraph about the conflict and some of the major events in your story. Just don't give away the ending. And then I want you to do your recommend and your opinion. Basically, you're going to use all the things you wrote here and then at least 2 things from the back to write your book talk script. Oh, I went too far. The last step is you need to share. So talk about your book. I could actually have you stand up in front of the whole class and just talk about your book, but that's not quite as fun. So today we're going to use a program called Flipgrid. It's a video recorder. You'll need to speak for about a minute on your book. You've already planned what to say and you've written it out in a script form. You just need to practice saying it. This part will be worth 30% of your grade. I've attached the rubric in your Google Classroom if you want to look at it to see how you will be scored. And then I'll be gone for a couple days, but when I get back, we will actually share these in small groups. And our big goal is that we'll be able to find book recommendations that our friends might like. All right. All right, guys, so after I've written out my script, all I need to do is go to Flipgrid and record myself. So when I click on the Flipgrid link, it's going to take me to the website. When I get here, I wanted this to be private, only for our students. So if you'll click Login with Google, and since you're using your school computer, it should remember your login, and all you should have to do is click it. If not, you might need to type in your email address, your school email address. Click your account and go ahead and you should be able to log in. See, login successful. All right, once you're in, you're going to see I have left you guys some instructions, and then you'll be able to press the plus sign. You press the plus sign, a video window is going to come up. It's going to ask you to allow your camera. If you've never used Flipgrid before, which is most of you, you're going to have to go up here to this little icon right here and press always, so it's continue allowing Flipgrid to access your camera, and you're going to click done because I want it to be allowed to do that. Okay, so click. All right, guys, so once you click the plus sign, you'll have a chance to record your video. I put a limit on it. You can't speak for more than 1 minute and 30 seconds. Once you've recorded your video, you'll need to click save, and you'll need to take a screenshot. Now, some of us get a little nervous having our faces a selfie. One suggestion you could is you could actually hold your book up to the camera and let that be the selfie. But you have to save a picture or you won't be able to save your work. So you'll walk through several steps. Once you've done that, you'll actually be able to see that you've created your own Flipgrid, and it'll be viewable. And others will be able to see how you talked about your book. All right, awesome. If you have questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.